Hi everyone, I'm Leon.
When your new product starts selling like hotcakes and everyone is talking about it, you think your business looks amazing, right?
But here is the thing.
There's a problem that could ruin everything and even force your company to close. This issue can cause your sales to drop quickly and put your startup in danger. What is it? A flood of fake copycat products in your market.
Do you still remember my client from Miami?
That I mentioned in our last video? He had this great idea inspired by those bike cars in the movie Mad Max. And he came to us. So what we do? We tune his idea into his dream product. His bike product became a huge hit in the US market. Just when we thought everything was going well and his business was growing fast.
One day, he called me over the phone and sounded so stressed. He said, "Leon, Copycat."
It is full of cheap knockoffs that look just like our bike product. Some of them even copy our packaging and even part numbers. This could destroy our sales. So what should I do?
I'm sure he's not alone. Many startup owners like him, or maybe you, may face the same crisis after launching the product. And that could ruin your business with no way to fight back. We start to think hard for our clients.
How do we stop these fakes from hurting their sales? And how can we make sure his customers do not buy unsafe knockoffs?
And that, at the end, no one takes responsibility for. This could be a real problem because fakes can damage your brand reputation from our experience. The copycat problems happen because people skip one important step earlier on. So, what is that?
Getting patents for your amazing product idea. Patents. Are you curious about patents? If you do, stay with this video. By the end of this video, you will know what is a patent and how does it protect your ideas.
Which patent works for your product and how can we help you to get them? If you really want to find out, keep watching. Let me explain it simply. There are three main types of patents. The first one, we call it trademarks.
Trademark protects your brand name and logo so no one else can use them. It helps customers to recognize your product right away and know it is yours.
Second one, we call it design patents.
Design patent protects the unique look of your product, like its shape or style, as long as it is originally designed by you and no one has made anything like it before.
And the last one, we call it utility patents.
This is one of the hardest patents that for you to get, but it is the strongest in terms of protection. It protects your new products, new features, structures, or methods that you invented. Patents only grant to those things that are completely new to the world. The great things about utility patent is this. Even if there's somebody who fake a product, try to change the product's appearance, the design, as long as they still use your patent technology or the process that you have patented, they are still breaking your rights. And of course, unless you give them permission to use your patents.
We talk about all three patents. Does this sound a bit confusing for you? Don't worry. You don't even need to figure out how to apply a patent by yourself.
Because here in Taiwan, Aofinova has an expert team and patent lawyers who can review your product and choose the right patent for. Our goal is to protect your ideas from the very beginning. So when you launch your idea product and your brand and your new product all are safe. With that, now you can grow your sales and brand reputation without stress. Now, I believe that you know about patents. But most of the time when come to this point, a lot of people start probably wondering, what is the difference between getting a patent or shall I skipping it?
So let me explain. If you do not get a patent, this could happen.
A bigger company with a larger marketing team and lots of money and with more sales channel could take your idea without a patent. They definitely can sell better than you. And the worst thing is that you cannot even stop them.
But if you do have a patent, this could be a big win for you. For example, if somebody using your patents and you catch them, you can take them to the court. And since they have violated your patents, normally they have to pay you some extra money.
This extra money can help you grow your business and brand, and sometimes you got to thanks to the copycat's mistake.
And my Miami customer learned this hard lesson after the fix appeared. So he decided that
any new product our patent team thinks he can get a patent, he will definitely apply for it.
so far, we have helped our Miami customers secure 10 US patents,
including design patents, utility patents, and trademarks, all approved. After he knows how to use patent to protect his product, now he's more relaxed and earning over $1 million a year in sales, able to control his prices and investing in the growing of his brand. That is the power of patents. It built a strong shield around his business.
But are patents expensive? Well, we will talk about the cost at the end of this video, including how to get a patent in the US or Japan, and even any other countries. Why you need Aofinova Taiwan to help you to get a patent? If you do it in Taiwan, normally it's much cheaper. If you want to know more, let's keep going. Applying for a patent is not as expensive as you might think. If you have a fresh idea that you want to get a patent, but you are worried about the price, you are in the right place. Let me walk you through how to get from an idea to have a patent and how much it will cost you.
So how we help your idea patent? Step 1. We will sign a NDA, which is called Non-Disclosure Agreement, to keep your idea safe. Well, you need to be careful. Some people may just steal your idea when you're trying to ask them to help you to patent it. NDA is your first layer of protection. If you want to know more about NDAs, drop a comment below. So let's back to the process. After signing the NDA, here is what happened next. Once the NDA is signed, now you can talk to our expert product managers through messaging apps, email, or making a call. They will listen to your story from how you came up with the idea all the way to what you want the final product to be. Our team will write it all down and figure out which patent type fit best and what detail will improve your chances of getting approval. And we only recommend applying if your idea have a good chance of getting a patent. We will not waste your money on something that won't work. If your idea chances are low in getting a patent approved, we will help you to adjust and redesign the product to increase the odds. Getting a patent approved is really technical and not easy, but our team know how to do it. In short, Aofinova Taiwan handle all challenges, file the paperwork, and get the patent done for you. So, if you have a great idea you want to turn into your product and protect with a patent,
Reach out to us now.
our team with over 25 years of experience, we can handle everything: writing your patent, applying, filing paperwork, and getting you that the final patent documents is all in one smooth process.
Oh, before we finish this video, let's talk about patents fee. With Aofinova Taiwan, you will not stress about how to get a patent from now on. Like we have helped all our clients acquire patents worldwide.
So let's use US and Japan as examples. In the US and Japan, applying for a trademark or utility patent, it costs around $2,500 and up to $3,000 maximum. Well, design patents are cheaper, normally around $1,500. That includes copywriting, drawing, and filing fees. And after your patent is approved, there will be an extra fee to get the official documents, normally around $2,500. Once you have the patent, it protects your idea for 20 years, keeping copycats away. Compared to 20 years of protection, do those fees seem reasonable?
Drop a comment below and let me know what you think. So by now, you should understand how valuable having a patent and how it can help you. If you think our fees fit your budget, click the link below and contact us. Or you can visit our website and leave a message with us.
To learn about our services and get in touch. Knowing how to use patent to protect your new invention and product could be the moment your business starts earning $1 million a year. And with us, you know that you will work with a trusted, proven Taiwanese team that makes your idea to product journey stress-free. That is Aofinova Taiwan. Warren Buffett once said, if your business has a strong white moat, which means protection, it is your best defense. And that moat or protection is exactly patents. Patents is always the most reliable seal for your startup and your most trusted partner.
And I'm Leon. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. If you want more video about how to turn your idea into products and brand, subscribe our channel. And not to forget, turn on the bell so you will not miss the next video that will help growing your business. And thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.